In our Coursenvy Amazon FBA course, we teach you how to create a private label listing. This is a product not sold on Amazon, so it's your own unique product. Maybe you sourced it on Alibaba from China, obtained your own UPC from someone like snapupc.com, and created your own private label listing on Amazon. But what if you have a product that's already in Amazon's catalog, such as a product sold at Walmart? You bought it for cheaper than it's on Amazon, so you want to sell it via arbitrage on that specific Amazon listing. So what you want to do to add your product is first, you want to find that product on Amazon. So it's in the Amazon catalog. I know I have some Logitech H390 computer headsets. So I want to search that in Amazon, find the first listing that isn't sponsored. Here we go, Logitech H390. Click on that listing. And now, as you can see, this ships from and is sold by Amazon.com. So to compete with this listing and win the buy box, we're going to have to do what Amazon's doing. At minimum, $24.99 price and Prime delivery. So that means we're going to have to send it in to Amazon FBA centers for Prime fulfillment. Or as an FBM, a fulfilled by merchant, mail it expedited to fulfill the Prime delivery requirements. So as you can see, let's scroll down here. There's other sellers on this listing. New and used, 85 from $19.49. So used, $19.49, new, $24.99. So it looks like that $24.95 and Amazon FBA Prime will win us the buy box. That means we will be this buy box. It'll be sold by our brand name. So to sell this specific listing, we need the ASIN. So that's the Amazon Seller Identification Number. So to find that, that's under Product Information, about halfway down here. Product Information, ASIN, ASIN. So we'll copy that, head back to Amazon. Now to add products to your sellercentral.amazon.com account, in the top left menu, under Inventory, go to the Add a Product page. So like I said, if you're adding a private label, we taught this in our course, you'll click this option. But we are selling via Amazon Arbitrage on this already created listing, just as one of the sellers on this listing. So head back to Add a Product, paste in that ASIN, and search. So here we go, popped up. We will become one of these sellers. So first, select the condition. I have a new one. I bought a pallet of these from Walmart. Sell this product. So I'll want to give it an internal SKU for myself. I know this product number quickly. I'll identify that in my warehouse. Next, I want to input my standard price. So I want to beat the current buy box. So I want to win the current buy box. So that'll be $24.95. So let's start with a quantity of 1. I'm selling on other marketplaces as well, so I don't want to run out. So we'll just test with 1. Condition, again, it's new. And here's that option I said. Is it merchant fulfilled? And can I guarantee that I'm going to expedite the shipping to fulfill Prime? Or would I rather mail it into Amazon FBA and have them fulfill it? With the fulfilled by Amazon option, they are going to take a bigger chunk of the pie. A rough estimate, 30% of the price goes to them for storage, fulfilling at Prime, and customer service. But I'm going to keep merchant fulfilled on this one, as we have the capability to ship things expedited. So we'll save and finish that to create that listing. And as you can see on this Manage Inventory page, we've been added to this listing. We are now selling our single SKU via this ASIN, this already created Amazon listing. So that is Amazon Arbitrage. I can sell on top of that and add my specific inventory to that listing and the price I want to sell to that specific listing. That is Amazon Arbitrage. So as you can see, here's another arbitrage item that is already sold out, availability 0. So if I know, okay, great, that one's sold, I fulfilled it, I can add more units right here and maintain the price. Now, say this product isn't selling the best because it is FBM and it's not winning the buy box, it's fulfilled by merchant, and I want to change it to FBA, I can just select that product, go to the action menu, and click Change to Fulfilled by Amazon. Then that will take you to Amazon fulfillment, and you'll ship it in to their specified Amazon warehouses, which we also discuss and teach in our Amazon FBA course. So that is Amazon arbitrage in a nutshell. Buy a product cheaper elsewhere, sell it for a profit on Amazon. So for seller fulfilled or fulfillment by merchant products, you will need to ship the item once the Amazon arbitrage unit is purchased. So to buy and print this shipping label, again, log into your sellercentral.amazon.com account. In that top left menu, select Orders, Manage Orders. By default, you'll be on the Seller Fulfilled page. This is where you will buy the shipping label and see order details for your Amazon arbitrage order. You can also look at your FBA orders. These are the orders Amazon fulfills, ships via Amazon Prime, and manages everything for you. So we'll click on that, and you can see all our past orders here that Amazon has fully managed for us. So we don't have to do anything here. So let's go back to seller fulfilled orders. And as you can see, our headset sold already. This is the power of Amazon. I literally posted this 24 minutes ago for only 5 cents less than the buy box, and the product has sold. So Amazon arbitrage is a great way to make money online. So let's buy that shipping. Click the order details. Now we're on the order details page for this Logitech headset. So all you need to do is buy that shipping label, print it out, box up your product, and ship it to your customer. So let's click that buy shipping button, set your item weight and package information, and then buy your shipping label. If you're uncertain of the weight and dimensions of your package, you can always weigh and measure it yourself, or just open up that listing again under product information, product dimensions, product weight. Okay, we put in our item weight, the packaging dimensions, and selected our shipping service. So now we just need to buy shipping and send this product to our customer.